Data is absolutely useless if you can't read it. Today, we are taking raw, chaotic numbers and routing them into a beautifully engineered dashboard. Most solopreneurs drown in messy spreadsheets. I'm going to show you how to build a logic engine that ingests data, calculates the math automatically, and visualizes it in a custom Notion UI. No code required. Let's build the system. Today, we are not just looking at theory. This is a live deployment. The method we are following is visual architecture. Instead of writing custom JavaScript to calculate these metrics and pushing it to local storage, we are going to build the exact same logic engine using a no-code stack. You are going to watch every single click. Let's open the environment. Before we can route our data, we need to build the destination. Open Notion and create a completely blank new page. We will title this workspace for our first deployment. Next, we need to establish our underlying data structure. Hit /, type database, and select the board view. Create a new database. We are going to name this the Analytics Engine. This is where our raw payload will be transformed into readable business metrics. Now, you have to add a table. For that, you need to hover at the database title and you will see a small plus icon there. Click on it and select Table. We can change the properties of the table as we desire. We can even add more columns or rename the existing ones. As you can see here, there are a lot of other options that you can choose as per your requirements. So now it's time to move to make.com. Here, we'll build the core logic engine. Inside your Make dashboard, create a new scenario. Since we need a payload trigger, so we will add a custom webhook. Think of this as an open port, listening 24/7 for incoming data. We will name this as Analytics Payload and generate the address. The engine is now listening for the JSON bundle. Copy this webhook URL as we would need it to run the module. Next, we add the processing layer. Select the Tools module and choose Set Variable. We will name this ARPU Calculation. Instead of writing custom JavaScript functions, we use inline logic. Total revenue divided by total active buyers. The system handles the complex math automatically. With the data processed, we route it to our user interface. Add the Notion module and select Create a Database Item. This is how we map the back end to the front end. Select the Analytics Engine database we just built. Now map the newly calculated ARPU variable directly into the designated property field. This ensures the output lands perfectly in our dashboard. Everything is wired together. We hit Run once to test the live deployment. As the payload is received, the data flows through the webhook, gets processed by our logic module, and pushes instantly to Notion, a flawless, automated architecture. Paste here your webhook URL, and you are good to go. If the module is working, you should see accepted here. Here we can see that after we ran the module, a row got injected automatically in our Notion database. This makes your daily work simpler and easier to perform. This is the difference between working in your business and engineering it. By deploying this architecture, you eliminate manual data entry. Your metrics update in real time with zero human error. If you want to install this exact Notion analytics engine into your own workspace today, the template is linked in the description below. Stop hustling. Start scaling. Subscribe for next week's system build.